So I found my way to Efon-Alaaye in Ekiti State. Apparently, a few years ago was my first time I journeyed through the town, and I was amazed at the landscape, topography, like seeing the giant hill rising boldly around the community. So I promise to pay an adventurous visit to Efon-Alaaye someday. Today, I'm in Efon-Alaaye. Join me in this video as I take you through the Sagbonke Hill. As you're watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. High above the ancient town of Efon-Alaaye in Ekiti State, where the cloud kisses the rugged peaks, stand a timeless wonder, the Sagbonke Hill. A giant of stone and spirit rising boldly over the community, silently watching the generations come and go. Sagbonke Hill is more than a natural structure. It is a landmark rooted in the identity of Efon-Alaaye town and its people. According to local history, for centuries it has served as a beacon, guiding travelers, protecting the people, and shaping the cultural story of this ancient settlement. Sagbonke Hill is wrapped in legend. Many believe it was once a sacred hideout, a safe refuge during times of war and conflict. Others say it carries spiritual significance, a place where the early settler found directions and strength. Standing at an impressive elevation among the hills that define the Ekiti landscape, Sagbonke is composed of massive ancient rock formations, weathered by centuries of wind and rain. From its peak, you see the sweeping valleys, farmland and rolling mountain chains that surround Efon-Alaaye. Beyond history, Sagbonke Hills offer a unique opportunity for tourism. Its naturally carved pathways make it ideal for hiking, adventure climbs, sightseeing, and nature exploration. With proper development, it could become one of the most iconic ecotourism destinations in Ekiti State. For the people of Efon-Alaaye, Sagbonke represents more than heritage. It is a source of economic hope, tourism development that will create jobs, boost local trade, and open up new opportunities for both young and old. As modern life evolves, Sagbonke must be protected, preserving its environment, promoting responsible tourism, making the place accessible by constructing a motorable road for the place to be easily accessible. Sagbonke Hill is more than a mountain of stone. It is memory, it is identity, it is the heartbeat of Efon-Alaaye. And documenting its story will ensure that this natural monument continues to inspire generations yet unborn. Sagbonke Hill is a silent giant, standing strong, yesterday, today, and forever. This is where I will stop for now, with the hope to bring you more videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For partnership and collaboration, details are in the description below. Thank you for watching.